Hey guys, today we have a digital tire inflator to show you. Special thanks to GOOLOO who sent this tire inflator to me to test out. This GOOLOO tire inflator is a model number GT160 and we're going to go ahead and open it up and test it out on a car tire, a basketball, and a bicycle tire. First up, we have a colored user manual with detailed instructions on how to use the product. The manual comes with a product overview showing a picture of the product and all the features, including what each button does. Also included are steps to use the inflator, technical specs, and FAQs. Inside the box, we have all the different parts, including this tire inflator hose. We also have a little baggie of accessories, which includes an air pump needle. And we also have a USB-C charging cable. And encased in a plastic bag is the digital tire inflator unit. The front panel has an LED display with a power switch in the center along with four other buttons, which we'll test out shortly. At the top end of the unit, we have a USB-C input port as well as an output port. We also have a connector port for the inflator hose to screw into. And as a bonus, the whole set also comes with a convenient satchel to keep everything together. Now let's go ahead and test this out. To see if this inflator is charged up, I'm pressing down on the power button and it looks like it's charged to 75% already. We're going to go ahead and inflate one of our car tires. The first step is to attach the inflator hose. Once it's screwed on tightly, we can test out the unit. On the front panel, you can see that the battery is charging because I still have the USB-C cable plugged in. Another neat feature is that there is a flashlight button, so if you happen to be stuck in the middle of nowhere after dark, this flashlight will provide a light source so you can see better while inflating your tire. Next, we're going to let out all the air from our car tire. I'll fast forward this step so we can continue with the demo. The second step is to attach the adapter clip from the inflator hose. From the tire inflator unit, there is a settings button located right above the flashlight button that allows us to choose a preset tire pressure based on whether you are inflating a sports ball, a bicycle tire, a sedan, or an SUV. But I would refer to these preset settings only as a guideline. For our car tire, we'll use the plus and minus button to adjust the tire pressure setting to the desired PSI level for our car tire. Here we are targeting 44 PSIs for the car tire. The final step is to press the power button again to start inflating the tire. You will hear some noise from the unit as the air fills the tire. I'll fast forward this section, but just to let you know that to get up to 44 PSIs from our deflated car tire, it took 9 minutes. While waiting for the tire to inflate, you'll be able to see the number climb incrementally throughout the process until it reaches the target PSI number. Once it reaches the target PSI, the tire inflator will automatically stop. At this point, you can remove the hose from the tire. And if you take a look at the display on the unit, you'll notice that this car tire consumed 1 bar, so I'm going to plug the unit in with the USB cable to charge it up. Once plugged in, you can see the bars moving up and down, signifying that the unit is charging. But the rest of the settings on the display will disappear until you unplug the charging cable. You won't be able to configure the tire inflator with the settings button, but you will still be able to use the flashlight at the same time while the unit is charging. Once you unplug the USB cable, you can go ahead and set the tire pressure using the settings button. Here we have a deflated basketball that will inflate. Rather than using the preset basketball setting, we're simply going to inflate it until it reaches 10 PSIs. Once it reaches 10, we'll press the power button to turn it off. Now this basketball is good to go for our next game. And for our last test, we're going to inflate this bicycle tire. As you can see, this tire has some air in it, but not nearly enough. We'll insert the tire inflator hose, and then this time we'll go ahead and select the tire pressure for bicycles. Once it reaches the targeted 45 PSI, the unit will stop, and then you can remove the tire inflator hose from the bicycle tire. So I hope this 3-part demo was helpful. I found this digital tire inflator extremely easy to use, and it came with everything I needed to start using it immediately.